I gotta go for this one too. Oh man. Such a cute dog. Such a cute dog. Google Play. Actually, that's Google TV. Oh, hey doggy. What? That was Google TV. Then it waves at me. Dog. Are you sure? That's too loud. Too loud. Too loud. Silence here. Not you, mimpi, but that loud. Why is it destination? Why is Final Destination so loud in the beginning? That wasn't supposed to happen. Last time I checked, it wasn't that loud. Too loud. That's right. Why is it so loud? Come on. Excuse me. What? Oh no. What are you doing here, princess? Why are you so upset? Mario's called Crazy Hand. No, that's Mario, not Crazy Hand. There's a lot of difference from... Wait. Do it again. We'll keep going. You mean Mario has a mustache? Yes, he does. But call it Mario. 207 damage? That's a lot. Oh no. Excuse me, I want to clarify it like that. Now. It's not crazy. Oh my god. That's a lot. Oh no. Ah. Yes, he does. Of course it does. Oh no. Ow. It's off center. Oh my goodness. What? That's more. Can't go to stage builder. Sorry, it's unavailable. Movies. Not that great. Oh no. Ow. Now it's okay. Oh my goodness. Can't go to it. Movies. Let's see movies. Data. Movies. Oh. Look how the thumbnails are. Melted. That wasn't supposed to happen. Oh no. Oh no. That's fine. No, it isn't. Can't go to it. Can't go to it. Movies. Oh my god. What happened to the... Oh, picture thumbnails like melted. Oh no. And now, off center. Oh my goodness. Can't go to it. Can't go to it. Oh, it looks like a crash. Oh, movies. Oh no. Oh my gosh. What happened to the icons? What? No. Oh gosh. A little much? Oh, slow down, please. Movies. Good. Oh. Missing scene. Another one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, pretty different. Oh my goodness. It's only going down. It does make sense. In the increments of 10. Really, the milliseconds? Those are like tiny seconds. Well, exactly. Gotcha! He's the first one today. This is good. Instead of, waiting this long to get Oscar after going inside the house levels in this game. Oh, I told you about this. Gotcha. Please, the squirrel only. Looks like today I'm early into your stage. My far's gonna be something else. But who's next at this point? Yeah, it's supposed to be audio even. Jeez. Told you, too much loud noises, bro. Oh, even. What? Oh, another one. No, seriously, who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Be honest. Who's next? Oh, well then. I guess we already got a bonus stage. Oh, well. I'm still playing. Okay. Okay, good. We've got mice. We got mice. We got mice. Fine? Call this fine? Ah! Stop. Just stop. That was way too loud. I don't like it. Oh, that part was way too loud. Why? You need to turn it down. Oh my gosh. That was just Mousetrap. He needs to stop pulling up pranks like this. Chickmunt? Alright, fine. I'll give Luna and Dawn another chance. Maybe the same on tomorrow too. If not, well, nothing else to say apparently. Oh no. Careful, princess. I want to keep mulling. Mole? You just said, you mean moving. Come on. That was easy. I guess. Give me some more. That's it? You're saying dirt? There he is. What happened? He just quit? Oh well. Oh my gosh. Yes, butterflies. Too loud. That part was so loud. Why'd you do that? What's up? Why? It's Oscar again. I don't really care if he shows up most. This is my favorite. I like it when she shows up most of the time. I said he. He shows up, not she. Oh yes, give me a second chance to win. I don't know. I keep on seeing this. Oh, okay. We'll just start over for a bit. And just get... Oh. Head start there. Let's go, shall we? That happened a little too much. Oh. I don't want to spend too much time on this game due to me not finding a bonus stage that I like or not, but just... Why does that have to be third? Where are we at now? Okay. It's alright to next or what? Or he's just gonna take some time later. Third? I know it's gonna be mice again. I'll take a wild guess here. Sorry, I didn't mean to run past you, tortoise. Ha! It's you again, Oscar. I can't believe it. You're here so many times. Whew. You win, I quit. Oh no. Oh, cute. Whoa, look who's late again. Hee hee. Without crashing a single thing. Oh. What? Fair luck. Oh man. Wow. A little much change. Oh, what is this audio even? Here we go again. More of this stuff. More of it. Oh. Even more of these parrots too. Everything. Oh man. Whew. Oh my god. Why is it 3? Oh no. Oh. I don't even like that part at all. It was like, eh. Dude. Wait, that's it, Mark? Oh my goodness. That makes me leave the game too. We'll come back later. Looks like the fairies did not change into jammers. Where is it? Oh. Come on, do it to these dragons again, please. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Yeah, I knew it. Well, I do not want to take forever in this, okay? No more loud parts of this again. I'm warning you, baby. Okay, we're fine. Well, welcome back, I guess. Once again, I thought it was gonna be. Now I don't like you. Hee hee. That's right. That's right. Keep it like that. Unless be nice to me more. Later. I mean, not really. Come on, Dawn. This is what you have to come back for. Just wake up. Yeah, you gotta be kidding me too. Yeah, but I bet tomorrow will be the last day, I guess. We'll see. I want to re-roll this and see what happens. Super Smash Bros. Brawl. What a nice game. You can get your mistakes over here. Who is coming out? Why is it saying third? Bro. Do I have any else to talk to you, Donnie? Don, no. Because, what if I say no, but this is gonna be just the last of it? What do you expect, little teeny weeny? Those are just some cats that don't even know Don. What do you mean? What do you mean? Wow. You're something else. That happened a little too much. A little much change. Corruption. Looks fine. Legit! Man! Again with the third. Why say third? It ended. It ended. I'm not giving you treats. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Oh, calm down, audio, please. Just calm down. Oh. Yes, I gotta do this again. I moved for a little bit. Give me a break. 100 billion times. Oh. I guess. We have to go to another game. Can't do this forever. Felt like it was tough for you. Oh. Oh. Why? Why? Again with a third? I don't know. Take a deep breath. Let it all in and out. Calm down. I can't read this forever, you know? Sometimes the audio gets amplified, too. Whoopsie. No, you don't. That will be the end of it. Stop, Luna. Or you're getting out of here, ma'am. Oh my goodness. Okay, you asked for this. Oh, you are a bit too much. You are a bit too much. Ooh. How about we can play rock and roll while she drags Luna? Okay, that's it. I'm not sure if it's gonna be rock and roll, but it's whatever. I can tell you that. Now you're happy again. Good. I want you to change your art, Luna. I want you to do it. Let's go. Who said that? What? Ike's upside down. CP1? That's CPU. I didn't check my screen. If you keep doing this, maybe you'll be the first one to leave. No. I actually don't know. Okay. Too much. CP1, what does that even mean? Oh, no. What? I do not worry about it, Dawn. I can't take this.